To open the builder, click on a template you've added or a project you've started in your My Projects tab. The builder will open automatically, showing the home page of your project in the central viewing area. To navigate back to the rest of your bookshelf account, just click on the Bailey Beaver logo in the upper left corner. Going back to the website builder, on the left-hand side, you'll see that it's comprised of four main tools for customizing your website: Build, Style, Edit, and Outline. These options will always appear in the left side menu when working on editing your website. You can click the blue arrow icon next to the left side menu to open or collapse each tool's individual panel while building. The Build tool gives you drag and drop building blocks to create your website pages exactly how you want them. Think of it like playing with Lego blocks. Grab specialty, pre-built elements like section layouts, images, rich text, buttons, and more to drag, drop, and arrange them however you'd like. This tool is great for creating custom pages from scratch or building and adding additional sections or elements to an existing page or template. The Style tool lets you set universal design choices for your website. Changes you make here automatically apply across all pages, ensuring your site has a consistent look and feel. This is where you'll set central design elements for your website, such as typography, colors, and buttons. The Styles tool is where you'll also make all selections and changes for your header and footer, which you can also access by clicking into them inside the Builder viewer. This is because your header and footer apply across all pages of your website, making them universal in style and function. The Edit section is the panel that opens automatically whenever you click on an editable element on your page, such as a section layout, rich text, images, buttons, and others. It lets you change a preset selection of that element's content and settings directly, each with helpful presets and guardrails built to best guide your building experience and the final result, but still with enough freedom to make it uniquely yours. When you click on any placed element inside the builder, it will automatically open that element's available edit options. Any changes you make will update immediately on the page in real time and will always save automatically. Each element has specific edit options available. For example, a rich text element will allow you to change font type, color, size, and more, all within a single block of text. An image element will allow you to change the image file, size, alignment, border effect, and more. The Outline tool shows a structured, hierarchical text view of all the elements in your current website page. Think of it as a table of contents for your page layout. It helps you see everything at a glance and understand how all the elements on a page are organized by section. Nested elements, for example, rich text or images, are displayed underneath their parent container, such as a section background or section layout. Clicking on an item in the outline highlights that element on the page so you can locate and edit it quickly. The Outline tool is great for selecting elements on a page that might be more difficult to click on directly within the page itself, or for navigating to a part of a page quickly, as clicking on an outline item will automatically scroll to that part of your page and select the element. At the top left of the builder, you can navigate to all the pages of your website by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting which page you'd like. Next to the page selector, you can also add a new page to your site. Your options are to build from scratch, select a page from an existing template in the template gallery, or duplicate a current page of your website to then edit as needed. When you select an option, it asks for some further information, such as whether you'd like it nested under one of your navigation menu options, what you'd like the page name to be, and how you'd like it appear in the page's URL. In the top center of the builder are your viewer options, where you can see an example of your website in either the default desktop view or in mobile view. Keep in mind that these views are best general representations of what your site might look like across an array of different types of devices, screen sizes, and display settings, so don't worry too much if things shift or adjust unexpectedly between the two views. You can also zoom in and out on your builder viewer manually, or select preset zoom percentages. And this button will bring you back to an optimal builder view. In the upper right-hand corner, you can click on the eye icon to see a preview of your website. This will open the current page you're editing in a new tab and display it the way a visitor to your site would see it live on the desktop version of the page. Again, this is just a general representation, and so may not always exactly represent the layout you have in the builder itself, because elements will adjust based on a visitor's personal device and display settings. To publish your first website live, you'll click the Make Live button in the top right corner. Once your first website is published, this button updates to read Publish Changes, which you'll want to click anytime you want any of your newest saved changes to your site to go live online. In the lower left-hand corner of the builder, you'll find Settings. This takes you to general backend settings for your website as a whole, as well as for individual pages. Settings is also where you'll create and edit what pages are listed in the navigation menus inside your website's header and footer. To go back to the main builder, simply click Back to Builder in the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching the tutorial. We're always adding new ones to help guide you through all the awesome things the bookshelf can do, so be sure to check out the rest of our channel. If you prefer to read through helpful steps, tips, and more, visit our online support center, which I have linked down below in the description. And if you ever need help from our team directly, you can always feel free to email us at support@thebookshelf.io. Thanks again for watching, and we cannot wait to see how the bookshelf helps your author business grow.